and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review, and today we have a Ulta haul. So if you're interested in seeing some of the purchases that I have recently picked up from Ulta, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I hope you all are doing so well. Well, let's get into it. I have a quick Ulta haul. I told y'all we're going to be hauling for the end of this month. It's just hauls, okay? But I have a Ulta haul and just wanted to show you some of the things that your sis just recently picked up. So I have been doing a lot of protective styles, and I have always been interested in Auntie Tabitha Brown's line, okay? So they actually had a buy one, get one half off. I hope you all caught that. But I decided to get the hair vitamins, okay? And this is Donna's recipe, okay? She calls her Afro Donna. Love it. That's my mom's name, so I absolutely love it. But these are the hair vitamins, and I wanted to see if they would work. I'm really needing to get into all things vitamins. I know I'm late. I need to do better. But I need to get some vitamins. So these are gummies.
Gummy? No.
Have a gummy.
I don't want a gummy.
And these are strawberry flavors. So I'm really excited to try this to see if it strengthens my hair, maybe if it grows my hair. I'm just excited to see what this does. And then I picked up the sweet potato pie extra creamy hair cream. So I've always wanted to try this. Unfortunately, my Ulta where I am is not the business. So I was in another area of Nashville, Tennessee, and was able to get this. So I'm excited to try. I wonder if it smells like sweet potato pie.
I didn't know what a sweet potato pie was. I didn't even know. You know, white people, we got pumpkin, you know, and I accidentally called a sweet potato pie pumpkin. Almost got my kicked. I ain't know.
Open it carefully to see. Interesting. It doesn't give me heavy sweet potato. It does give me a little spice. But I would have loved it to smell like heavier than that. But it does give me a little kind of like a spiced pie. Okay. So I have also, I always say, when you see something from Kopari, pick it up. Okay. Especially if it's on sale. So this is the moisturized whip Ceramide cream. Okay, this is for your face, and of course it was on sale and I picked it up. I love this brand. Okay, does very well for my sensitive skin. I don't have no beef with it, no problems. I love the body, but everything. Okay, and so the body wash, body scrub, everything. So when I see something from Kopari and it's on sale, sign me up. If it's at Marshall, sign me up. TJ Maxx, just as long as it's not like messed up. Because sometimes when you go to a Marshall, TJ Maxx, somebody's been up in it. Disrespectful. Anyway, so I'm excited to get into this with my face. And this should hydrate my face and make it all the things. And we'll get into it more. I'll let you know what it do if it do what it do supposed to do. Okay, moving on. Next up, I have some HEMPZ. Okay, now I will say, you all, if you have been on this channel a time or two or 20, you all know HEMPZ. I always say, I gotta wait for a sale. Okay, I got to wait for a sale for HEMPZ. I'm not about to spend full price money. Well, I can no longer say that. And I tell you why I did purchase it at full price. Because y'all was talking about it. And AI the Great came on and other people, y'all was talking about this. So I just knew, if anything, it was going to be sold out. And for my store and where I am, unfortunately, they didn't even know what I was talking about when I went in there. They was like, HEMPZ has a new, like, no, they don't. Like, they didn't even know what I was talking about.
There's no such thing.
That's how my store rolled. I was like, I've heard it from several people. They didn't have it. Anyway, so this is the Floral banana. And I also picked up the Shea Sugar Scrub, okay? And say that 10 times fast. So I have the Shea Butter, okay? And this is the body wash. And then I have the scrub. So body wash and scrub. I'm excited. You all know I love a good body wash. I'm excited to see what this does. AI was talking about it like for her to pair with her fragrance. I'm excited to see what her body butter is going to do. But either way, I'm excited to, dibble and dabble. And then, of course, I had to get the age-defying vanilla body wash. So I had to check this out. And I'm hoping that this is really good. Hope it hydrates my skin. I hope it doesn't break me out. Hope it has some moisture and just doesn't strip me of all my goody goods. So we will see what that does. I am sure the smell is great. HEMPZ is normally really good at the smell portion of it. I just want to see how it works with my skin, okay? Next up, I have Tree Hut. And Tree Hut, honey, Tree Hut has also come up with some new scrubs, okay? I have seen that. So I'm excited. I don't know if I'm going to pick it up. I probably will, but I don't know if I'm going to do it right now. Somebody said they were like $5 or something. I don't know. I have to look it up. Either way, I fell in love with the Ocean Glow. Now, the only thing I was so scared is this has some shimmering in it. And so I don't know how this is going to do. It's a sparkling gel wash, okay? But the scent was everything. Y'all know how I'm into like ocean smells when it has the sweet in there, okay? I love a good salt note, but sometimes the ocean smell can lean more masculine, but this did not. It was definitely sweet, so I definitely enjoyed that. So I have the body wash and I also have the scrub. So I'm looking forward. Here's the scrub. Okay, so I'm looking forward to getting this on my body in my shower routine. I definitely will probably pick up the other scrubs that they have because I just collect the scrubs for whatever reason. I love the smell. They do really well. They're not like so harsh. Like I enjoy it. So we will see. I will probably pick it up, but I don't know if I will come back with another like haul. We'll see how that goes. I might just let you all know how it does, how the smell, like come with a review, So yeah, let me know if you all have gotten any of the new scrubs. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one I should get. I would love to know your thoughts. What one have you enjoyed? Some of them I believe are like some repeats. Like I think I saw like a pumpkin spice, which I believe. There's one that's a coffee smell. They did have a coffee one before, so I don't know if this is more of like the sugar coffee, the fake coffee that I like, or is it still the hard coffee? Somebody let me know. If it's still black coffee, then I'm probably not interested. But I like the fake coffee. So, AKA, what I'm really trying to say. If it has a sugar sweet note, then that's what I need. Okay. And last but certainly not least, this is another eye primer. I had another haul where I got the Fenty eye primer. So I'm just getting all the things. And so this is another eye primer. But I have an eye primer, but it is not this color. So this is color 1. So I did see a makeup. I think it was Ohema, I think it was her that was talking about this. I'm actually pretty sure it was her. But she mentioned this primer, and I believe she also mentioned the Fenty primer as well. And so her eyes and her makeup looks, and it's always everything. I just wish one day, maybe not as good, I won't doubt myself, but one day I might be able to, build that talent to be able to do an eye look like her. Ohema, she's beautiful, right? But this is color 1, so I'm going to try this like she had on her face. And then I also got the I Am Magic Dual, the sponge. Like, I really don't need another sponge, but when she was using this, Ohema, I was like, I think I need that. And I think the one thing was like this side. Like, it looks like this. And so to get into the, it just fits so well. Like, I think to do my concealer and all that in the blend, I think this is going to be really good. So decided to get the sponge, and that is all, family. That is my Ulta haul. Short, sweet, and that was it. Let me know what recently you have picked up from Ulta. I would love to know. Is there anything that there's probably not anything I need to pick up, but is there anything that you suggest? Definitely let me know about the scrubs if you've tested them out. I just want to know your thoughts. Anything that you would suggest me get, yo sis get at Ulta, hook a sister up in the comment section. Okay, I would love to get to know you all. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, comment down below, all right? Make sure you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, what? Yeah. Yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.